Well, good afternoon everyone. So yeah, I haven't done much work on the tiny house because like everybody else, I guess I've been busy. It's quite hard to like fit in around work and all those general excuses. But yeah, the garden's pretty much all sorted now for the upcoming summer. Everything's in, so it's just a case of keeping an eye on it, keeping it watered, keeping the chickens out, keeping the slugs out. So once it all gets established, then it will all just take off. I've been getting out wild camping and foraging with friends. So I guess I'll upload a little video montage of what I've been getting up to recently. Little things here and there. Tiny house electrics, which is I guess something I've been kind of stuck on. Just because it takes a lot of research. You start and then realise you need lots of bits and bobs. Such as I needed more 1.5mm wiring cable. So yeah, I need to get this, I need to get other things. But yeah, it's coming in dribs and drabs. I've got the lights in, which were a kind of work in progress. Like I put them in, I weren't happy, so I altered them, weren't happy, and now I think I'm finally happy. But the annoying thing is now, the screws I used, it went through the floorboards, so I need to replace the screws with smaller screws. So yeah, it's all fun and games now, so I can get all the batteries, all the lights put in, run some cables for the fridge, run some cables for the water heater. So yeah, bit by bit it's all going in. I'm hoping to fit the stove, as I keep saying, at some point next week, and then I'm hoping to get out on wild camp. But yeah, life is just really busy, which is good. It just means that maybe the tiny house won't be done as soon as I'd like it to be.